Hello everyone, welcome to our special Facebook Live for our National Nutrition Month. My name is Karen.
And I'm Najem.
And we are both nutrition educators from Bronze Work Snapped, a program that is founded by the USDA and is an equal opportunity provider.
We are so excited to be here to celebrate National Nutrition Month with you guys. Our theme for today is Bake It Until You Make It, budget-friendly and flavorful potatoes. We'll also explore the connections between food and culture and how it connects us.
That's right, and we are going to be cooking Southwest baked potatoes, a delicious recipe from Snapped, New York, and also we will talk about the significance culture of potatoes, their health benefits, and how to eat and save some time in the kitchen.
And of course, we want to hear from you. Drop your questions and comments below, and we'll answer them at the end of the session.
Yes, please do so. And we are going to start with My Plate. My Plate is a great tool that helps us to build our foods, right, in different categories, such as fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy.
Yes. And did you guys know that potatoes are part of the vegetable group? Some people think they're a grain, but they're actually a starchy veggie like peas and corn.
Yes, I can see why some people get confused about that, but the good thing is that you can actually add your potatoes on My Plate and you're going to get a lot of nutrients from it, such as fiber, potassium, and vitamin C.
That's so interesting because when we think of vitamin C, we think of citrus fruit like lemons and oranges.
Yes, you will be surprised when you started to compare the different nutrients that fruits and vegetables have. Also, if you want to increase your fiber, you can eat the peel of it and you're going to increase your fiber. But remember, balance is the key. So you can pair your potatoes with some proteins such as beans or lean meat. If you want to add more nutritious, add more colorful things to your plate, such as different colors of fruits, okay? And if you want to add more flavor, you can add some cheese or yogurt.
Cheese and potatoes sound really good together.
Yes.
That's kind of like what we're doing today, right? All right, well, here's a fun fact for you. Potatoes are a global ingredient, so you'll find them in many dishes around the world. For example, you'll find them in a Latin American dish called papa a la huancaína. There's an Indian dish called aloo masala. There's Irish mashed potatoes. There's so many more I could name.
Wow, that is wonderful. Let's keep talking about potatoes and a simple ways of how to save some money and time in the kitchen before, during, and after shopping.
Well, before shopping, create a meal plan. Planning our meals is an excellent way to save time and money. Also, organize your shopping list into food groups based on what you want to eat.
Yes, that's true. You know something that I do during my shopping? I make sure to eat ahead of time. So in that way, I can stick to my shopping list and I don't buy anything that I don't need. I think that is a great tip, right?
Yeah, that's a really good tip because I know if I don't eat before I go shopping, I'm going to eat everything, especially snacks. So definitely a great tip. Also, here's another helpful suggestion. Try store brands. They're often the same quality, but of a lesser cost.
And also compare products for the best deal because unit price can make you save some money. But Najan, could you give us an example about how to read those unit price?
Yes, definitely. So first of all, buy your potatoes in bulk, like I'm sure most of us do, right? All right, so you have a bag of potatoes. It can cost $3.49, which would be 70 cents per pound. You buy one potato, that would be 74 cents, but will come out to 99 cents per pound. Of course, the amount of potatoes you buy will depend on your family size.
That is a great example. I hope you put it into practice because honestly, unit price is very important for us. And like I say, it's going to help us to save some money. And it's usually located under the side or on the left side, just under or on the left side of the price tag. And in that way, you can see if that is that is going to show you the cost item based on unit.
Then, after shopping, store your food right away in the fridge. And store your potatoes in a cool, dark, dry place. This will help it last longer. A potato can stay fresh up to 1 month if stored properly.
Wow, 1 month?
1 month.
Wow. I hope the audience is taking this tip because honestly, it helps you a lot, okay? I know a lot of people put it in the fridge, and I know people do it with onions too. So now you know this tip that Najan just shared with us. And if you buy a large amount of foods, such as potatoes, any other fruits or vegetables, lean meat or fish, poultry, you can separate them into size package, label them, and freeze them for later use.
Great tip.
Yes. All right. So seems like we're getting closer to our recipe. All right.
Yes. Let's get into. You're gonna introduce.
Yes, I wanted to introduce before we got into the ingredients. But as I was saying, the recipe for today it calls Southwest baked potatoes. It is a very simple and delicious recipe that is low cost and also is time convenience. I know you will like it.
Yes. All right, let's get into our ingredients. We have 1 cup of canned black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 cup of canned corn. You could also use frozen if you have that on hand. 2 cups of salsa. We have a 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, and this is optional. A bit of plain Greek yogurt, that's what we use, but you can also use sour cream.
Yes. And just wanted to mention before we start that everything was washed properly, hands were washed properly too. And of course, we are going to use our gloves. Thank you so much, Najan.
You're welcome,
so I'm going to give you a short tip about potatoes, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is to poke some holes on the potatoes. Basically what you're going to do, just do this, poke the holes on them, right? And this will help escape the steam to escape, right? And in that way, you don't get burns your potatoes.
Then microwave your potatoes for about 12 to 15 minutes until tender.
And yeah, it's a lot of ways to cook your potatoes up. You can do it in microwave. You can do it in an electronic stove. What was the other thing that I told you last time?
Toaster oven?
Yes, that one too. So it's many possibilities where you can cook them up. And the great thing is that it doesn't matter the size of your equipment, right? It can be small, big. The good thing is that you have many possibilities. Please let us know in the comments, where do you cook your potatoes?
All right. Okay, so let's get into our toppings.
Right, so we are gonna get into our toppings. I'm going to mix everything up in this medium-sized bowl, and you will see that it won't take me even a minute. All right, so I have here our beans, and they are low in sodium. All right, so also they have a lot of fiber. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of corn. Oh my goodness, look at this combination. These colors are so beautiful. These colors are so colorful. Beautiful. Yes. And of course, I cannot forget the salsa. So I'm gonna add some salsa on it. Ready? This, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Yes. And I'm going to mix them up just like that. As you can see, it didn't even take me a minute. Put it more. Yeah. Looks good. Who loves salsa in here? This tomato salsa. So you can put it as you want, all right? So if you like it spicy, I guess you can put some jalapenos in there. I don't know. I love it spicy. So look how colorful it looks. And you're getting a lot of nutrients in here already.
That looks really good. I love this. And I love how versatile potatoes are. They can be mashed, baked, roasted, and my favorite, French fries. So many ways you can enjoy them.
That's true. And the great thing is that you can, these potatoes are option for almost everyone. You can make them as a size meal. You can make them as a size. And yeah, it's a lot of ways to enjoy your potatoes. Please let us know how you enjoy your potatoes. And like I was saying, it's a lot of nutrients in here. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free. Also, they have a lot of fiber, plus more fiber in here. And if you're wondering, what is fiber? Basically, fiber helps you to digest your food, and also it'll help you to stay full for a longer period of time. Okay.
All right. I think it's time for us to prep our potato.
Yes, please.
All right. Well, careful, it'll be straight out of the microwave, so it'll be hot. Okay. I'm just gonna pierce it with a fork, just to make an opening.
Oh my goodness, this
Yeah.
smell is so good. It actually makes me remind me of my mom when she used to cook back home. She used to make tacos potatoes. I mean, those are tacos. We call it tacos dorados in Spanish, which is basically that. She used to fry the tortilla and then she used to season the potatoes, fill them up. Oh my goodness, such a comforting memory.
That sounds really good.
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of like what we're going to do today. I'm going to fill our baked potatoes with our toppings.
Wow. Right? Okay.
So,
excited.
Just going to spoon on this corn, bean, and salsa mixture into our potato. All right.
Wow.
It's okay if it gets a little bit messy. All right.
Maybe we can put it in the plate. So,
yeah. I'm going to put this into our plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
then I'm going to add a dollop of plain Greek yogurt, but you can also use sour cream.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Do you guys I'm curious, do you guys like yogurt or sour cream? Please let us know in the comments.
And then I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on top.
Ooh.
That's the best part.
That's the best part. Honestly, adding the toppings is the best part and the most fun thing about it, right? And well, also because it looks like we're getting closer to try these delicious Southwest baked potatoes.
Yes, we are. If we'll stand up straight, we'll leave it like that.
It's like,
oh, wait. This is reminding me of my childhood, actually. Yes.
That is so beautiful.
My mom used to make the best potato soup, and I used to help her chop the potatoes.
That is so beautiful. Yeah. Do you still make your mom's soup potatoes?
Not often, but making this with you today is making me think about how much food connects us to our past and our loved ones.
Yes, that's true, because food is more just than nourishment, vitamins, and minerals. Food is a way that connects us to our own culture, our own traditions, the people that we love and the people that we appreciate. Of course, today, I'm making a new memory of making this Southwest baked potato, and I hope our audience is taking the time to have this memory with us together. Yes. And
yeah,
you want to give it a try?
All right.
Give it a try and then I go.
Okay, let's see what this tastes like.
How do you guys think this is gonna taste?
I'm gonna get a little
Please
bit
let
of
us know
on the fork.
Ooh. The smell is really good.
It's so good.
Yes.
With recipes like this, we can create new memories while keeping those traditions alive, keeping our old traditions alive.
Yes, because that is what food does, right? It keeps us memories. It makes us go back memories, as you guys saw. And that's all for today. This is really simple, really fast. You are not spending a lot of money, and we're having a great time here with you and with Najam. So we just please want you to reflect on your own culture and traditions.
Yes, and for more delicious recipes and tips on eating healthy on a budget, visit our website, SnapEd New York, snapedny.org. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram and SnapEd New York. And of course, the Bronx Works team, yes, at HL Mont Haven.
Yes, please follow us. And well, if you want to know more about nutrition in general, just please join us for the next Facebook and Live that is going to be on March 28 at 12:30 with a team build a connection across all stages of life. Please stay tuned and happy National Nutrition Month. All right, you're gonna get okay. Let me give it a try.